Yesterday evening, the body of Ceceilia Ogwal arrived in Lango through Soroti, drawing hundreds of mourners along the way as the procession moved towards the birth home in Dokolo district. This morning, the hearse carrying the remains of Dokolo woman MP reached Dokolo Technical School for a special council sitting. The motion to pay tribute at the Joint Regional Council meeting was initiated by Dokolo District Chairman James Otoa Pili.
She was an advocate for the rights of child mother, not only in Dokolo District, but in Uganda at large. In this regard, we think that the best way to support child mother is to construct a vocational school in Dokolo where we have a land in place for that project.
Councillors and leaders in attendance spoke fondly of Ceceilia Ogwal's remarkable 28 years of astute leadership, emphasizing her significant contributions to the community.
On account of the fight to bring back multi-party democracy. As a fighter, she fought the tendency of removing any limits from our constitution. The price that she had to pay was broken back.
If it comes to election period, let us practice true democracy. We should not arrest others while others are. We will not arrest. This is the democracy we're talking about. If a man was here to talk this, we will talk this.
We are so proud that most of us, with the teaching and mentoring many of us on various aspects of leadership, passion, of attack, is an overwhelming loss on all of us there.
Ceceilia Ogwal, she had a professional political dress code. I want to thank the female councillors of Dokolo for the way you are dressed. I am honored. Ceceilia Ogwal was natural.
Lamex Ogwal Smart, her husband, expressed gratitude to the people of Dokolo for their love and support, highlighting that they continue to vote for Ceceilia even after her marriage in Kole.
You should tell me that her mandate for seeking election in Parliament was to serve the agenda of God, which relates to my God and my country.
Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
After the council session, the body departed from Dokolo district for Lira City, where it will spend the night before proceeding to her marital home in Kole, the final resting place for Ceceilia Barbara Tim Ogwal on Saturday. Ediolwa, UBC News.